So Infinix has launched Infinix S5 Pro, which is an upgrade over the S5 that was launched last year. This is one of the best phone you can buy under 10k in India if you like notchless display and don't play heavy games. But in this video we are going to check out the top 5 features of Infinix S5 Pro. Starting with the obvious one, the display. Infinix S5 Pro is built around a 6.53-inch IPS LCD notchless display of Full HD Plus resolution, which has an aspect ratio of 19.5:9 and a pixel density of 394 ppi. It has 91% screen to body ratio and 480 nits of peak brightness. So overall, the display is the highlight of this phone with no interruptions of any kind. You can watch movies and enjoy social media, do your regular work without looking at notch of any kind. Also, the brightness is enough, like this is what you get even in the 15k price smartphone. The next biggest feature of this phone is support for Android 10 out of the box. We have seen many phones launch under 10k price tag, but none of them offers Android 10 out of the box. This smartphone runs Android 10 based XOS 6.0 custom skin on top. It has a lot of features baked into it. You can check out some other dedicated video on XOS 6.0 to get more information. Now let's move on to the next best feature, the cameras. Infinix S5 Pro packs triple camera setup with main sensor being a 48 megapixel primary camera with an f1.79 aperture and supports features such as portrait mode, night mode and HDR to name a few. It is assisted by a 2 megapixel portrait camera and a dedicated low light sensor. It comes with various modes such as AR Animoji, custom bokeh mode which is basically the portrait mode, AI 3D face mode, a beauty mode and usual panorama. Selfies are handled by a 16 megapixel camera with an f2.0 lens housed inside a Popup module. You don't have to worry about dropping the phone on the Popup module as it comes with a sensor which retracts the camera if the phone falls. The front camera supports features such as AI portrait and 3D face beauty mode, while the Popup module is claimed to be dust and splash proof. Next, it provides DTS HD surround sound output, meaning the sound quality will be great, and at that price, it's good to have some kind of audio feature which Infinix did provide in the manner of DTS HD. Finally, speaking about the battery, it gets 4000 mAh battery which can easily provide you 1 or 1.5 days worth of battery backup, although there is only 10 watt charging speed which is not that good. Now to mention some of the not so good features, the processor is obviously the worst part in this phone. It comes with Helio P35 SoC, which if you want a comparison to Snapdragon processor, then it compares with Snapdragon 636 chipset. For gaming, this is not the processor you should be looking for. In daily use scenario, you might get minor hiccups, but overall it will be a smooth experience. For charging and data transfer, you get micro USB port, which again is something they should have upgraded. To conclude, the Infinix S5 Pro offers decent specifications under Rs 10k, but it will face stiff competition from the budget smartphone market rulers Xiaomi and Realme. The buyers always have a choice to buy the Redmi Note 7 Pro or Redmi Note 8 in the same price range, but this phone offers immersive experience which none of the other phones offer. So do check out your requirement and then place an order. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. Peace out.